What up, y'all? It's your boy CKid here, y'all. And today, man, like I told y'all I was coming back with it, and that is with the iPhone 14 Pro. Now, I have here every single iPhone 14 Pro silicone case that you guys can get from Apple. Now, these are all of the brand new colors that you guys can get here. So I'm going to be basically showing each and every single one of these cases for you guys. But instead, like I did on my last video, I showed you guys them on the iPhone 13 Pro. But in this video here, y'all, I'm going to show it on the iPhone 14 Pro here that I have in the all new space black, which I'm telling y'all is the best color that you can get out there. I know a lot of people out there, they want that purple, but let's be honest, y'all, that purple really ain't it, y'all. It's all about the space black here, y'all. So I'm going to be showing you guys all of the cases on this space black. So if you guys picked up the space black, then this is going to be the video for you. But if you didn't pick up the space black and you picked up another color, then you can still see what all of the cases are going to look like on the brand new iPhone 14 Pro. So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. Okay, we out here iPhone 14, got that all black looking lean, yeah, it's kinda mean, purple kinda cool, but that black match with everything, whether you're in 80s mid-range or a young teen. I see new camera spotted with that 48, looks the same kinda right, but I call it hate. A spade, if you're not inside, then you can't relate. Dynamic on this island, even Wilson couldn't see his fate. Swat, let's go. Alright, y'all, so this first color that we have up here, y'all, is called Sunglow. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, at first I wasn't really digging this yellow, but it's not as bright as it may seem. It's actually kind of like a deeper yellow, which is something that I like because it actually goes good with backgrounds like you guys see right here on my lock screen. Now, I am going to be doing a whole video showcasing my top 10 lock screens for the iPhone 14 using iOS 16, or if you guys just have any of the iPhone 8s and above running iOS 16, then you guys will be able to utilize these screens that I'm going to be showing throughout this video, as well as it's going to be showing in a future video where I'm going to show you guys all of those and get that set up for you guys. But nonetheless, y'all, this is the Sunglow yellow that we have here. Now, again, you have two-tone different buttons here. Now, when it comes to the power button here, it is a different shade than what we actually get with the case in itself. And then, as you guys can see here, we have a thicker raised lip, which actually looks better on the 14 Pro with this case, because when you guys actually look at the lenses on the iPhone 14 Pro are a whole lot thicker than they have been in the past on something like the iPhone 13. So it does look way better when you actually get them on the iPhone 14 Pro with this case here. And then you also have the same shaded color of yellow on the buttons that's also matching the Apple logo here in the center. And then they also did the same on the volume rocker buttons here on the side. You also have your cutout here for your speakers, as well as your USB-C to Thunderbolt port there. And all in all, man, I'm actually digging this yellow with this screen. But let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think. All right, so this next one that I'm gonna go with, y'all, is called Elderberry, y'all. This one here is definitely a case that I like with the space black color, because it doesn't like stand out too much, but it still gives me like that mystique, like black vibe that I love with this iPhone 14 Pro. And then when you pair it with a lock screen like this one right here, man, you just can't lose with this case. Now, again, we have the same different color options. Now, what I like about the Elderberry when it comes to the two-tone buttons here, the button here actually looks black, which actually matches the phone in itself, along with the Apple logo here and along with the volume rockers here on the side. You still get your cutout here for your silent mode. You also get the speaker cutout here, as well as the port for charging as well. Now, again, you get the raised lip here that's going to be for the cameras. Now, again, this is something that I like because this blends very well into this phone here, being the space black, because this outer edge here is like a super dark purple, to the point, again, it looks black and it matches the same color scheme that we're getting on the sides, as well as the Apple logo and the volume rockers. So all in all, y'all, I think with this case here, paired with the space black, paired with this lock screen right here, y'all, I think it's one you can't lose out on. But again, I'm gonna show y'all all of these background screens here and how you guys can get them in a future video, so be on the lookout for that. All right, y'all, so this next one that I got here that I want to show y'all is called Storm Blue. Now, when you look at this one here, again, it looks nice with the black. Now, this is one of the reasons why I personally bought the black space black iPhone 14 Pro, is simply because it can go with pretty much everything, as you guys are seeing right here. Now, again, we have the different color two-tone option. Again, it's dark enough that also matches the space black color here on the phone. Same thing with the logo here, as well as the volume rockets here on the side. And then again, you get your same cutout here at the bottom. But overall, y'all, I definitely think the storm blue color is definitely a wave when it comes to the space black color for sure. And then again, when you pair it with the right front lock screen here, y'all, I'm telling you, man, you can't lose with this case right here, along with the lock screen as well, y'all. So all in all, I definitely think it looks good. Storm blue, or stormy blue, I don't know what I'm calling it, but you know, you see it right here. This is the one I think is a go for sure. Now the next one here, y'all, I'm going product red with the iPhone 14 Pro. I think this one here looks dope, especially when you pair it again with the right lock screen, y'all. Now, as you guys can see here, I got my guy Dustin here. Shout out to Dustin from Stranger Things. For those that know, you know. So yeah, this one here, y'all, is the product red. Now, product red, if you don't know, this one here is going to be a case that's going to go for a great cause. So a percentage of the money that's actually raised with purchasing this case here is going to go to a good cause. So, you know, if that's something you guys are into, then product red is going to be for you. But then you got the two-tone different colors here on the side as far as the power button and the volume rockets here on the side, so they did carry that over. And again, black and red, mix that together, man, you can't lose. These colors go well together. And then again, we got the same cutouts here on the bottom as the other ones, y'all. Now the dope thing about these cases, y'all, and I can't front when it comes to Apple cases, now I'm not gonna lie, are they expensive? Yes, Apple cases are very expensive. I think these are like $60, 50 or 60 bucks per case. But I will say, Apple cases, y'all, feel extremely good in the hands, man. You're not gonna go wrong with buying an Apple case. Now, can you get cheaper cases out there? Yeah, of course you can get cheaper cases out there. I'm actually gonna do a video showing you guys some of the other options that you guys can get when it comes to cases for the iPhone 14 Pro, but I just want to showcase these off for you guys if you guys just like buying cases from Apple in itself, which, you know, I ain't mad at you for doing that. But again, here is the product red case along with the fire lock screen, y'all. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. All right, y'all, so the next one that I got here to show y'all is called Succulent. Now this one here, y'all, was actually one of my favorite cases that I showed you guys when I placed it on my iPhone 13 Pro in the Sierra Blue. And when it comes to the space black with this one, y'all, I still think it is a favorite of mine, man. I just like how the colors of this one here just blends really well. Like, it's a soft blue that's not too harsh like the storm blue, if that's something you guys are into, getting more of this lighter shade. Now again, you still get the two-tone color on the volume as well as the Apple logo on the back, and then again on the volume rockers on the side, still get the same cutouts here on the bottom. But yeah, y'all, when you pair this again with a fire lock screen, then you already know it's gonna look fire here with this phone here. Again, y'all, I still think even with the Sierra Blue or the space black, man, this case here still looks fire nonetheless on this iPhone 14 Pro. Now this next one here, y'all, was an easy choice as far as what lock screen I was gonna choose with this one, and this one here is the Lilac Purple, y'all. Now this one here is another dope looking one that's gonna go with the space black. Again, another reason why I got the black is because it go with everything. So, but yeah, y'all, look at this one here, man. Love the lock screen that I chose with this one, pairing it with this Lilac Purple here, y'all. Now again, y'all, this is not a deep purple. This is gonna be a way lighter purple. You can see the two-tone color here as far as what you're getting on the case, along with the power button, and then kind of pairing it, seeing here the darker Apple logo and the side volume rockers as well. But all in all, man, when you pair it with this lock screen, y'all, man, it just flows, y'all. And again, space black, baby, for the win. It's a fire looking combo, man. Definitely highly recommend you guys check this out. And again, if this video is out by the time I show this video, then I will link the video on how you guys can get these lock screens, and I'm going to be showing that series off. So definitely check out that video out there as well as towards the end of this video. But yeah, Lilac Purple, man, definitely looks cold with this lock screen. Now this next one here, y'all, that I want to show you is called Chalk Pink. Now this one here, y'all, looks also dope with this lock screen. Now the other reason I chose this lock screen with this Chalk Pink is because I was literally thinking like those like blossom trees that kind of bloom over there every year, and I just think it just looks perfect with this lock screen right here. And you guys can see here Chalk Pink in its all pink glory, y'all. Now again, if you guys are going to be interested in this case, here you have the you got the two-tone colors here as far as the volume rockets, as well as a darker shade of pink here on the side, as well as the Apple logo in the center. And again, you get that same raised lip color that's also gonna match the two-tone look on the case as well. But yeah, man, pairing it with this iPhone screen, this iPhone lock screen right here, oh man, tell me that don't look hard, y'all. That's GOAT status in the making right there. Now the last one I'm gonna show y'all here, I actually got two different wallpapers that I think can go well with this all black midnight case that you guys can see right here. Now obviously this one's gonna go perfect with the space black, man. If you really want to go for like that midnight James Bond, you know, suit and tie kind of vibe, this is going to be perfect for you guys right here. And again, I got a dope looking wallpaper here for the lock screen. I had to go with the spotted cheetah print right here. Just looks super dope. Now I want to show y'all this other lock screen here that if I switch it to, that I also think would look dope with this one here, and that is Big Ben here on the lock screen. I think this is the Big Ben clock. If I'm wrong, let me know. But yeah, this one here, y'all, I think looks super fire as well with this. Now the reason I chose this one, because like towards the top here, you kind of get this gradient to black vibe kind of going up to the top on the clock in itself. But yeah, y'all, it definitely looks clean with this lock screen right here. But nonetheless, y'all, this is the black, and this is all of the cases that you guys can get with the iPhone 14 Pro in the silicone cases. So let me know down in the comment section below if you guys have any questions, if there's any other cases you guys would like to see, any other Apple accessories you guys want to see, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll make sure to get that here on the channel. But yeah, man, so far I'm loving the iPhone 14 Pro, and if you got questions on this, also let me know down in the comment section below. But like always, y'all, make your move and remember your why, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad.